In the simulation experiment, we injected polyurethane foam material, and the raw material expanded rapidly within a few seconds, strongly lifting the ground, intuitively showing its excellent filling and supporting effects. The riverbank is eroded by water all year round. Soil loss and ground collapse. We quickly fill the voids, stabilize the soil and effectively lift the sinking area by injecting polyurethane materials at fixed points. The entire construction process is efficient and convenient. First, drill holes to locate. And then inject polyurethane materials. The material quickly forms and expands underground to lift the ground. Finally, the holes are sealed and leveled. The construction process is clean, fast and has minimal impact on the surrounding area. The ground subsided seriously in the early stage, affecting normal use. After the construction is completed, the ground is restored to flatness and load bearing as before. PU slab lifting precise repair immediate results. The polyurethane slab lifting solution is fast, safe and environmentally friendly, and is an ideal choice for industrial, floor and infrastructure maintenance.